Welcome to the Modern Hackers channel. Today we review this Italeri Iveco Turbostar track 3926. It will be a unboxing review. If you like the content, like the channel, please subscribe and like the video. Let's see what is inside the box. We get an Italeri build manual as usual, including some history about the track. So this is very interesting because Iveco Turbostar has a major history from Italy, so that was a major track on the road, not just in Europe, all over the world. If you open the user manual, you can see we get a special decal sheet for two setups, A and B together, and many number plates, including Austria, Germany, Italy, Netherlands, so many, Great Britain, many others. So that's a useful decal sheet. And if you see the user manual, looks to me it's a reissued user manual, so based on the quality, it's some older model, older Iveco Turbostar kits we use. But the interesting part, if you flip the user manual and the build instruction, and there is a colorful photo of the track. So that's very rarely happening with the Italeri kits, to have a full one-pager how it looks like, similar like you have on the front of the box. It's very useful when you build a kit. You can check the colors, the decals, where to add. So I felt it's very useful. So let's see what's inside. One by one. Here is the main cabin component. The material is white and the plastic is strong enough. That's wonderful. I don't see yet any molding issues that could cause later a problem in the build stage. Small hiccups on the edges. You can see that you need to sand it down. Maybe at the back panel I see some molding challenge, but I don't see any major issue. Some scratches and dents I can see in the motor fire panel. I can see some dents and scratches, but that's not a disaster. The classic rims, including all Italeri kits, similar rims attached. Classic engine components from all Italeri kits. The blades of the coolant system. Not fully proper, but good to go. You get a detailed engine, looks to me. Some fenders, wheel, it looks great. I don't see any major issue, very detailed. I think also these parts of the engine, these elements. What's inside the second pack? These are some masks for the chassis, I guess, to simulate some plastic-ish material with some grayish color. I expect that it need to be painted like that. Some mudguards, mudguard parts, some elements to step into the cab, some plates. I expect these plates needs to be either painted either silver or either grayish. This cover plate looks nice if attached to the Iveco truck, similar like on the photos. That with a good character, like better airflow, to keep the airflow outside of the chassis. Here you go, the special rims that I expected. Some the gas tank, gasoline tank. Many special plates that we will need to figure out what color code requiring them. Okay. So many details. Some air tanks, air pipes, hoses. Looks to me detailed. A detailed kit, a rich kit for the money of the investment. As usual, the tires. I think it's similar like on any other Italeri truck tires. Maybe not the trailer one, but truck tires definitely the same. And I see one spare tire in the kit. Okay, and we go to the last pack, last big pack in the box. There will be smaller still inside for the windows. Here the windows are. I will remove also the windows from the kit just to show you guys, but after I will put back during the build stage. The front window, this is a wind and sun shield. I expect that it will need to be painted with some transparent black or gray color, so that will be challenging to paint. You need to have proper paint to that. All lamps here, left, right windows, back windows. So it's a detail from window point of view, and I don't see any major scratch. Some minor scratch I can see on the left or right window, if you see. It's a minor scratch, but it won't be visible. It was a fully untouched kit, so you can see some minor dents also goes into the shipment or the packaging. I put back to this. Let's see what else inside. Here are the cab interiors, cab floor, the front panel of the bottom, the bumpers, some interior, left right mudguards, front left right mudguards, maybe a cabin top, special cabin top. So many elements, and sometimes at the Italeri kits you don't use and don't consume all material, so you have to check from the user manual which one you need to attach, because sometimes it happens to get two for the same purpose, but exactly you need to consume the one that marked based on the user manual, just to prevent some unnecessary painting and assembly time. Looks, this cab floor is detailed. It has a material already, some rubber material. It will be nice after painting. It will represent a real either rubber or either kind of plastic-ish material. So it's a good design. I feel. Same for the interior of the left and right doors and the back panel of the cab. Last but not least, the components for the main chassis. We get 2 seats, we get these physical brake pads. We rarely get this to the kits, so that's a gift. In this kit you get it, so it's part of the kit. Some axles, all looks good. Some minor dents, not critical, so after priming or small sanding it will go away. I don't see any critical. The brakes, all inside, don't see any issue with the kit. So all in all, we reviewed today the Italeri Turbostar kit. So it was, to me, a great review because it gives you a unique look and feel in terms of the wheel, the rims, the front rims. That was unique. Also the sun shield on the top. Also it has a good outfit. Spoilers on left and right side. So all in all, it's a great upgrade for the previous Iveco Turbostar kits. It gives a good difference if you want to build something unique. So I'm happy with this 3926. This kit will be my next kit that I'm going to build. You can see on this channel how it's made. Follow the channel, follow the next video. I'm going to build this and share with you how it's made. And thanks guys for watching, and let's meet at the next video. Thank you guys.